Hey guys, it's Brittany Noel. I'm going to do an unboxing of the iPhone X. I just got it a few minutes ago. I've not really played around with it or anything. I'm not taking the protective stuff off yet, so here we go. So first is this designed by Apple in California. And here is the phone. And Siri is wanting to talk to me, but that's okay. Right there's the phone, there's the back, got it in silver. So I'm just going to take this off and put the case on. This is so satisfying, I don't know why, but it is the coolest thing ever. As for the case, I got this Cevlo made for iPhone X. It's just clear. And I want to get the case on because I'm so clumsy and I don't want to smash my phone. So. And there we go, the case is on. So in the box, I'm sure you guys have seen millions of these unboxings already, but we got this charging port thingy. I really wish it came with the AirPods, but it doesn't. It comes with these ones, and you get your little adapter in the back, and then there's your charger. You can never have enough of these. So I know this is a short video, but I'm going to play with the phone a little bit, get all my stuff transferred over, and I'm going to do a what's on my iPhone X. So just let me know if you guys want to see that, and I'll talk to you later. Please subscribe.